Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Vino unboxing. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is seriously a dream come true. Last year I learned about this wine and lifestyle subscription box and I was just like, that is the most perfect, amazing subscription box I have ever seen, and it was such a dream of mine to get this box, and here it is. Wow, so this is a quarterly subscription box that costs $59.99, but you get so much value in this box. It comes with wine, it comes with lifestyle, so everything a woman needs to relax, recharge. And I wanted to get this video up right away because Mother's Day is next weekend and I cannot think of a better gift for my mom and the moms in my life than this box. It's seriously the perfect gift. I also think this is the perfect gift to me, so I want to thank Vino for gifting me this box and allowing me to share my unboxing on my YouTube channel, and I am just so beyond excited to be sharing this unboxing with you all. So this is a heavy box. I'm so excited to get into it, and let me show you how it comes packaged. So on top is all of your lifestyle products, which each quarterly box comes with 5 to 6 lifestyle products. And then if you can see underneath is the wine that comes very securely packaged like this. And I think I'm so excited. I have to start out with unboxing the wines to see what kind of wine I got. So each box comes with 2 bottles of the premium California and South African wine. You can choose from 4 different wine type preferences. They have white wine, red and white wine, or sweet wine. And I seriously love all wines, so I would probably choose red and white, probably to just have a variety. But so the first one here, this, oh my gosh, how cute is this bottle and this name, New Crush. This is California Pinot Grigio. Oh my gosh. My boyfriend was like, are you gonna be doing wine tastings in this video? And I was like, I wasn't planning on it, but that's a really good idea. So if you are interested in seeing like taste reviews of these wines and maybe future unboxings, just let me know in the comments down below because I think that would be really fun. So like you could gift bottles of wine that you get in the subscription. You could gift the whole subscription. Just the most perfect gift all around. The next bottle of wine that I got here is from Speechless California Cabernet Sauvignon. Oh my gosh, this is my boyfriend's mom's favorite type of wine, so maybe I'll have to gift this to her for Mother's Day. But oh my gosh, California 2018. And I don't know if I mentioned, all of the wines have a $24 value. So these are nice wines in my opinion compared to what I usually buy at the liquor store. And even better, I have the most amazing surprise. If you use my code Christy, you get a 3rd free bottle of wine for every single box that you get for the entire lifetime of your subscription, which I think that's so exciting. So from me to you, free $24 bottle of wine for every single box that you get from Vino. Just use the code Christy. I'll have my link in the description down below that explains all about that. But I just think like if you signed up with that code and then you were getting a free bottle of wine, like I can be a part of your happy hour, your wine night. I just think that's so awesome. So if you're gonna sign up, make sure you use that code so that you always get a free 3rd bottle of wine. Amazing. And I have a 3rd bottle of wine here. So this, ooh, I love rosé. I've been on such a rosé kick. This is from the winery company brand, Mad Love. Oh, all of these are so cute. The branding. This is 2019 California Rosé. Gosh, I cannot wait to taste this one. Seriously, such a great variety. Rosé, a red, and a white. All wines that I am so excited about. And it's such a great way to try out new wines as well, and especially when you're getting a third bottle for free. I mean, if you like it or not, it's free. So, like I said, $59.99 subscription, you can get the 3 bottles of wine, and I feel like just right there, I am so excited about all of those. Like that already is a great deal, a great subscription box, but we have not even gotten into the lifestyle products yet. But I actually have one other surprise before I get into the lifestyle products. There's another free gift. I am not kidding. Another free gift on top of the 3rd free bottle of wine every single subscription box. Also, if you sign up now, you get an adorable free wine glass. I'm so excited. I love a stemless wine glass like this. And if you can see, it says celebrate. This is also a perfect gift to give someone. Like, this kind of gives me wedding, engagement, party type of vibes. So cute. I love this. And I had not seen that free gift with purchase as part of subscriptions before. I mean, I could be wrong, but that's a really great extra added bonus if you're interested in signing up now. And now let's get into the lifestyle products. Oh, is this some product information on such cute pink paper? Yes, product information galore. I love getting product information. Okay, this came so beautifully packaged. It looks like there is so much good stuff in here. Let's see what I got. Oh my gosh. This first thing that's catching my eye is such perfect timing because I was literally going to buy one of these. Oh, and this is such a cute version. And this is a Wet Brush Pro Detangler. Glides through tangles with less effort, pain, and breakage. And it's this beautiful floral version. I am so excited about this because I was seriously about to buy a new brush, and I love these wet brushes. So this is seriously so cute, perfect timing. Wow, okay. And I have some great product information. The Wet Brush Pro Detangler has a retail value of $15. Oh, such a great gift right here. Ooh, so cute. From the brand Zazie by Stephanie Taylor, which I definitely recognize that brand. These are so cute. These are cubic zirconia stud earrings. And if you can see, like, these are exactly the types of earrings that I wear every day, like in my second holes or even the first holes too. I'm gonna put these on right away because this is what I love to wear. These Zazie stud earrings retail for $24. So cute. Oh my gosh, I can't believe we also get jewelry in this subscription box. Ooh, I recognize this product because I have this and I love this. This is from the brand Cuchillo. Yeah, Cuchillo Naturale Luxury Spa Cuticle Revitalizing Oil, Milk and Honey. I got this a while ago, but I have barely made a dent in it. This is probably the best cuticle oil I've used, and I keep it right by my desk where I work, and I just apply it like right onto the cuticles, which my cuticles always get so dry, and this helps so much. But this will seriously last you forever. I highly recommend this. This is also such an amazing gift to give someone else. The Cuchillo Naturale Milk and Honey Cuticle Oil retails for $18. Ooh, look at this. I don't know if I've seen one of these before. This is a Asobu, I think is the brand, Skinny Mini Ultra Portable Bottle Vacuum Insulation. How cute. A nice, like, compact little flask-like bottle. So the Asobu Skinny Mini Water Bottle, ooh, comes in so many different cute shades, retails for $30. Wow, lifetime warranty, keeps your drink cold for 24 hours, hot for 12, I think is what this is saying. That's awesome. And then, are you kidding me? We also got snacks in here. This is Legally Addictive, the OG cookies made from crackers, toffee, chocolate, sea salt. Stop it, that sounds amazing. I love a sweet and salty snack. Oh, this is so exciting. So the Legally Addictive Foods Cracker Cookies, the OG, retails for $4. I love when a subscription box comes with snacks. So cute. This seriously has the best range of products. I love every single thing I got. So even if I just got the lifestyle section of the box, I would be like, that's an amazing subscription. If I just got the wine, I would think that's an amazing subscription. But when you put the two together, it's the most unbelievable, perfect subscription box I think I've ever seen. And so FabFitFun, it's a lifestyle subscription box, no wine in that, so this one's obviously already better. But FabFitFun is like around the same price. Maybe that one's $49.99, this one's $59.99. And I have actually canceled FabFitFun just because it wasn't really doing it for me anymore. And I would say this is the new box to go for. You still get lifestyle products, it still comes quarterly, but it's just way better in my opinion. And I am so happy with this box, everything I got. And so my total retail value is $139. That's amazing. For $59.99, you get $139 value. So I really hope that you enjoyed this unboxing. I absolutely loved filming this. I'm so excited to use every single product I got and try those wines. And I am so grateful to Vino for giving me such generous discount codes. So once again, use the code Christy and check out the link in my description down below, which will explain all of this. And you'll get a free third bottle of wine in every single subscription box that you get. It's a $24 value. And you'll get the adorable stemless wine glass, which is a $13 value. So it's such a perfect time to sign up so you can get those extra bonuses. I really hope that if you do sign up, you make sure to get that extra bonus because I don't want you to be missing out on those. And when you add in those 2 extra bonus gifts, your value goes up to $179. Amazing. So once again, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video.